Hey guys, it's me and Jay Diamond. I see you, Diamond. I see you. What's your cat bum? Boo. No. No. Screw you. Hey, Jade. Alright, get closer. Closer. Hey! Oh, whoa. I wasn't looking. This is my cat, Jade. She's she's a Russian blue cat. And the other one that you saw was Diamond. I have two cats. One's right there. One's right here. There. Come here. There we go. That looks creepy. Yep, stop sniffing her butt. Stop. Stop. Good cat. Good cat. Good cat. What did you do all day? Get a close up. This is all they basically do all day. Eat, sleep, and use the bathroom. Just filming my cats for no reason. I don't know if you guys met my cat. This is why I'm filming. Paul. This one name is Jade. You can tell she was Jade because Jade, look here. Jade, good girl. She has a slit in her ear. And the other one you can tell it's Diamond because she's just really skinny. And this one is really chubby. Well, very chubby. You are very chubby. God, they're one's skinny, one's chubby. I think they might. Please get in. Oh yes, they're fighting. Yep, that's what they do. You just witnessed a cat fight. Come here, Diamond. Diamond, come here. Come here, Diamond. Diamond. That was a short fight that you guys got into. They do that sometimes. Jade. Come here, Jade. No? No? Okay. Come here, Diamond. I guess they don't want to. Nope, no. Oh. Diamond. Come here. Good girl. Oh, okay. I love my kitties. They're so cute. Boop. I'm in my living room right now. And I'm just recording them. You get to see what my cats do all day. It's not really much. But they're cute. They're the most cutest things ever. Close enough. I see you. I see you in the background. And I see you too. Come here, Jade. Wow. This is all you... Well, this is all they do. I'm focused on Diamond right now. This is Jade now. I focus enough on you. Yes, you. Oh, what are you gonna do? Oh. Oh, wow! Why are you just barrel rolling across the... They'll come back. They'll come back. Hours later. Oh, yay! They came back. Never mind. I don't have to do the hours later thing. Come here, Diamond. Diamond, come here. Diamond. Diamond. Come here. Diamond. Come here. Yeah. Come closer. Diamond. Let's walk closer to you. Yeah. Waddling towards my cat. There she is. Do something. Anything. Oh, let's move on. Ready? So I guess you guys think this video is boring, but just recording my cats is fun. I just wonder what they do all day. You don't even know I'm in the background. Okay, I'm gonna back up, guys. I'm gonna back up. Okay, ready? Works every time. We play this game often, so it's like it makes her come here, come to me. Come on, come here. Good girl. They're both girls. Girl, 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 girl. Okay. They're both girl cats. I know it looks really creepy. And let's take an eye on them for a while and show them the snow. Boom. Okay then. Well, don't forget to like, and yeah. You see fuzzies everywhere.